Happy holidays, everyone. This is the last market update in 2020, and we are live. I am so grateful for my house and the home base I have to do my work and help others to achieve real estate goals. Housing market will end on a high note by the end of this year, defying the prediction of many people 6 months ago. Before we take a look at what's happening right now in the market, I have two announcements. During the season of giving, I'm providing assistance for closing costs and down payment, including resources. Feel free to get in touch with me to get more details. I will host two Zoom workshops in January 2021, one for buyers and one for sellers. Of course, we will look at procedures, resources. We will also discuss what to look forward in 2021. Now let's take a look at what's happening on the market. The market is very competitive for the buyers, especially for the price point between 500,000 and a million, which is the price range many of my clients are looking at right now in the Los Angeles and Orange County area. Almost 70% of the buyers paid more than asking for this price range. So we are in the seller's market. It is not only a good time to sell, but let's look at the gain for homeowners. According to California Association of Realtors 2020 Housing Market Survey, it suggested the home sellers pocketed 210,000 gain when they sell their home. And if you stayed in your home for more than 5 years, you might be able to achieve 100% of the profit. The buying demand is not decreasing anytime soon either. Mortgage Bankers Association has reported increased mortgage application, which could indicate more people are getting ready to purchase home. And Showing Time, the program I use and many other realtors use to book showings, also showed 155% of increase of showings in comparison to the same time last year in 2019. So agencies are also exploring extending Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac backed mortgage moratorium through January 31st, 2021. This will give homeowners with delinquent payment more time to work out something with their lenders. Again, I don't believe the wave of foreclosure is coming soon. So if you are planning to purchase a home, I don't recommend you to wait. So jump in the market because the interest rate is extremely low. Actually, the rate set another record low, and which is the 15th time in 2020. So the lowered interest rate can offset the increased price. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a great holiday. Have a happy new year. I will see each other in 20